How to mark a message as unread on Zoom app channel. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to mark a message as unread on a channel in Zoom app. First thing, go to Zoom. Now this is the home page, as you can see. Now I'm going to choose this channel, for example, and I'm gonna choose this message right here. If you want to mark it as unread, all what you have to do is go to those three dots right here, click on them, and now you need to go down until you find mark as unread option. Click on it like this, and now it's marked as unread. And if you want to mark it as read again, all what you have to do is click mark as read. And yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.